Introducing Rosetta Enforcer. My name is John and I'm a senior developer of the project Rosetta Enforcer. If you first open the app, you will see the whole menu with convert and settings buttons. If you click the convert button, you might be able to see the NS Open window function, which will allow you to select the files. After you selected the files, you will be able to convert the universal binary app to single architecture. This app marks the first distribution of a commercial level macOS app. It is very important in the sense that I got to learn more about the Swift UI and Swift as a programming language and the intricate nature of iOS and macOS development. More apps will be coming out in a timely manner, so please look forward to that. Thank you.